Now, a while ago I mentioned that I was stressing about confetti, and there's a good reason. There are so many options. So what I thought we'd do today is just have a little play, and then I can see if that will help me make up my mind as to what confetti I want to use. Now, one of the most important things to do first is check with your venue. I'm having my confetti photos at the church, and I'm allowed biodegradable confetti. Now, we're the same here. All we ask is that you use biodegradable confetti. And often what we'll do is we'll do it outside in this area here, or maybe up the entranceway. So you've got lots of space for people to be able to fill the air with confetti for you. The next thing that I normally suggest doing is having a look at some pictures online, because you'll be able to see what kind of look you like. I tend to find that paper confetti is a little bit more of a defined shape, whereas petal confetti is a little bit finer, so can look a little bit scattered in the pictures. Also, ask your photographer, because my photographer said that paper confetti spends a little bit longer in the air, whereas petal confetti falls a little bit quicker, which means they haven't got quite so much time to be able to get that photo, because you're really only going to get the one chance at doing this. And the last thing to think about is what colours you want in the picture. Now, paper confetti, the one I've chosen today is white, and the reason is if it's coloured, it's not normally dyed naturally, and so if it's a wet day, there's a chance that it could leak and stain your dress. Now, that might not be a problem if you're hopefully getting married in one of the summer months and it's less likely to rain, but I'm getting married in April, and so that's been a massive consideration for me, because it's probably going to rain, let's be honest. So you could go for a petal confetti, which would let you have some more colours in the picture and hopefully won't stain your dress, because it's likely to be one of the first things you do on the wedding day. Now, one of the other things you can do to have a go is get some samples. Often natural petal confetti companies will let you buy samples for, say, £1, and then if you do choose to go with them, you get the money back, which is a nice way to check that you like it. You can look at the colours, you can look at what texture it is, and also have a go at throwing it in the air, see if you like the way that it falls. Now, the final thing to think about is price. Do you have a budget for the money that you want to spend on your confetti? I normally suggest you buy it, just because guests do forget to bring it with them, and you've got to think about the desired effects that you want in your pictures. You want lots of confetti, so maybe it's something that you need to budget and bring with you. What we do is we hand it out as the guests leave the ceremony here, so that they've all got a handful of confetti, and then you can throw it straight away as you guys come out of the ceremony room. So often our couples will just bring us a basket with cones, or even so people can take handfuls so it's ready to go. Now, the other thing to think about when you're thinking about the desired look is that people will often throw at you rather than up in the air. So one of the things we suggest maybe looking at is investing in a cannon. Now, the nice thing is hopefully this gives you a lot more confetti, and also someone can shoot it in the air and it will fill your photos full of confetti. So we're going to have a go with these two today. Now, I've got one which is biodegradable paper. It's white paper and it's from Ginger Ray. I bought it off of Amazon, so it's only $1.99. Quite a good price, really. Now, this one is natural petals. It's from Shropshire Petals, and it was £17 plus delivery. It's got lovely pink lemonade petals inside, and I can already tell a bit of a difference in quality. This one's obviously a lot bigger, and it smells quite nice as well. So we'll have a go, see what they both look like, and bear with me because I've not used them before and I have no idea how easy they're going to be to set off. So let's have a go. Try the paper one first. Woo! That was quite nice. They stayed in the air quite a long time. Now, the Shropshire Petals one does have some instructions on it. So you take this tag off and peel off this lid. Now, that went really well, and I can't wait to watch it back and decide what confetti I want to have on my big day.